Hey Cagayanos! Welcome to Cagayan de Oro National High School Junior High.
Our school is an outstanding institution that provides students with a well-rounded education and countless opportunities for growth.
Our school is more than just a place to learn. It's a community that fosters creativity, critical thinking, and kindness.
I highly recommend our school for exceptional academic program and supportive community.
Managing school operations, including staffing, budgeting, and school facilities. Addressing student behavior and discipline issues. Providing support to resources required student features of staff. Communication. Liaising with teachers, students, and parents in the wider community.
There are some good qualities in our school community in Cagayan de Oro National High School.
Unlocking potential, unleashing excellence, where curiosity meets discovery. Nurturing hearts, expanding minds, achieving greatness together. Empowering minds, enriching lives. Learn, grow, succeed.
We have counseling services available to support students' emotional and spiritual well-being. Our school community respects and values all faiths, beliefs, and cultural backgrounds. It also provides education on various religions, promoting awareness, understanding, and respect. Our school has an empowered community. Inspirational, fostering a sense of hope, motivation among members. Empowered, equipping individuals with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to take control of their lives. Uplifting, creating an environment that lifts spirits and promotes well-being. Supportive, providing a network of care and encouragement among members. Collaborative, fostering partnerships and teamwork to achieve common goals. And lastly, inclusive, embracing diversity and promoting equal opportunities for all.